triskaidekaphobia. That's a fancy $2 word that means fear of the number 13. Now if that describes you, well, let me pour a little gasoline on your fire. Over the past few hours, the 13th tropical depression has formed in the Atlantic. Currently, odds are very favorable this little disturbance will blow up into an intense hurricane, meaning a Category 3 or higher. If that happens, it will be Hurricane Lee. Now, if that causes shortness of breath, heart palpitations, and the inability to move, take a breath. We're only in the information stage of this event. And frankly, the question shouldn't be, will it become a hurricane, but where will it go? To formulate an intelligent answer, let's look at the big picture. Right here around the Bermuda-Azores region is an area of high pressure. Think of this as our possible storm's steering wheel. If this high begins to weaken and shrink, then our potential Mr. Lee is going to say to himself, I've always heard those rumors of the Bermuda Triangle, and I think it's a load of hogwash. I think I'll go take a look for myself. Now, if that happens, this is going to become what we in the industry call a fish storm. No threat to the U.S. mainland. But if this high strengthens and expands, Lee will likely travel further west and say, I hear the eastern seaboard has all kinds of great tourist attractions. I should go see St. Augustine or Jekyll Island, Georgia, maybe Hilton Head or the Outer Banks. Now, before you go all catatonic again, pay close attention to this. All of these scenarios are nothing more than possibilities, not predictions. It's entirely too early to know if this disturbance will develop into a named storm. Probably will. It's too early to know what this high pressure system is going to do. And it's too early to hand you a copy of this potential hurricane's travel itinerary. What matters right now is that you are informed, aware, and prepared, and that's how you should always be on any given day of the year. Don't wait for a storm to be barreling down on you to go get a gallon of water, dry saltines, a can of Spam, and a flashlight. Be informed of the potential, aware of the possibilities, and prepared for the impact at all times. Then no matter what happens, your percentage of living in fear, I dare say, will always be in the low single digits. Hey, triskaidekaphobia, I think your number is up.